Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the ringer buzzer on the iPad Air 2. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. Proper heating is essential to separate the screen from the body for tablet repair. For this, we use a heating pad designed for tablets and mobile phones. On iPad Air 2, make sure to heat the front side. Select the tablet heating option and leave it till the heating completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup on the sides to lift the front screen. In between, insert a plastic car pry tool or triangular picker and cut the adhesive around. Be gentle while pulling the flex cables attached to the logic board. To lift the LCD assembly, take a 45-degree direction from the top side of the screen to the bottom. Keep it steady till removing the LCD screen. Next, take out the shield by removing 3 screws and then disconnect both connector plugs. And now the screen unit can leave from the body. Next, move to the bottom and undo 4 screws to loosen the speakers. Next, take out the adhesive and lift the lever to pull out the connector cables. Next, using a tweezer, gently pull out the not working speaker unit from the body. Next, replace the required speaker unit and place it on the body, and then secure the connector plugs and adhesives. Next, secure 4 bottom screws. Next, connect the LCD assembly plugs to the board. Ensure the screen and touch functionalities and then secure the shield by adding 3 screws. Next, to clamp up the iPad Air 2, first ensure it has enough glue on it. If not, you can use B7000 glue or double-sided adhesive. Place the screen from the bottom to the top and then simultaneously click sides and the bottom. Ensure to put pressure on the framed sides and verify the home button sits and clicks precisely. Finally, we are using screen binding clips to tighten the screen to the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide on iPad Air 2. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.